Investors have been pouring into another e-commerce name, Shopify. The e-commerce platform helps merchants take payments and set up their own website with their own brand instead of selling on Amazon or eBay. The stock has been one of the biggest winners during the pandemic. Take a look at shares year to date, soaring about 175%. That was helped by small businesses quickly moving to sell online during the pandemic and, of course, a rise in e-commerce. With COVID keeping shoppers at home, these Shopify merchants have brought in record sales this year. Last quarter, the value of goods sold on Shopify, which is known as gross merchandise value, grew about 119% year over year for its highest mark ever. That was almost 50% higher than the previous record set during the last holiday season of the fourth quarter in 2019. The holidays are historically a boost for Shopify and the rest of the e-commerce giants. But thanks to the stock's run-up this year, analysts I talked to say a lot of that success is likely priced in. Shopify stock is way ahead of those record sales. Its price-to-sales ratio is nearly triple its 5-year average. If you compare it to Amazon's, meanwhile, the price-to-sales ratio is about 12 times higher. Morgan Stanley is among those waiting for a pullback. The firm initiated Shopify last week and came in at equal weight with a price target about 10% below where Shopify is trading today. Guys, back to you.
Kate, that's interesting because the way I see it, the potential in Shopify is that it gets between small business and then those huge names like Amazon, like Facebook, that people have tended to see as the only way for small business to make sales. They become this platform to offer them options and distribution. But the analysts who are waiting for a pullback seem to be valuing them as just a retail channel. Is that right?
I think you are right, but they say that the price is, or the success of Shopify, even one analyst put it, if they met their sales targets up until 2030, that would be priced in now. So I think they're just waiting for even a 10% pullback. But you're right. I think those small businesses that typically would look for Amazon or Facebook have flocked to Shopify. And then you also even have bigger merchants that might go elsewhere, but they have had a good mix of smaller businesses and bigger sellers on the platform.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.